Hello and welcome to the channel Automation Step by Step. Today is Friday, so let's begin our Q&A Friday episode. And today we are going to take up a question asked by Akash, and he says, please tell me how to check the font size in a web application, whether it is as per the requirement or not. Akash, thank you so much for asking this question. And if you want to check the font size on any web application, there are two very easy ways that I'm going to tell you. One of the very straightforward way is you can go to any browser, go to your web application, and you can right click on any web element, and there is an option for inspect or inspect element. If you go there, it will open a window where you can actually see the DOM and you can also see the CSS. So you can check the font size or any other design that you want to validate. So this is one way. The other thing is in Chrome browser, there are some very good extensions. So I will tell you about two very good extension on Chrome. So let us go to our Chrome browser. And here, if you go to the apps and go to web store, so basically you have to go to the extensions page, and here there is a plugin called What Font. Just type What Font and click enter. And you can see this is the plugin or this is the extension. So you can add it to your Chrome. I have already added it. Now, once you have added this to your Chrome browser, if you go to any website, let me go to my blog, lifecharger.org. And here, once you go to your web application, you will have this What Font extension here. Now, if you click on this extension, you can now go to any of the element and you can see it is giving you the font name. So for example, here it is saying Vedana, here it is saying serif, and here Century Gothic. You can also click and it will give you all the information on the font size, font weight, style, line height, color, and so on. So this is going to be very easy and straightforward. The other extension is CSS Viewer. So again, go to your Chrome extensions and search for CSS Viewer, and this is the extension. You can add it. I have already added it, and now again you can click on this extension here, and now you can see wherever I am going, it is giving you all the details on the design, the font and the text, the color and the background, and whatever is the details of that particular element, box, positioning, effects, everything is there, right? So wherever you will take it, it will give you the details of that particular element. Now, in case you already have a Selenium framework and you want to add this validation of font checking inside your automation framework, then in Selenium there is a function called getCSSValue, and if you give the option font size, it will get the font size of that particular element, and then you can do your validations over there. So these are the very basic and easy and straightforward ways how you can check the font of web applications. In the comment section, do let me know which one do you like the best, or if you have some other very easy ways of finding out and checking the fonts on web applications, do mention in the comment section. If you like this video, do share with others, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. In this channel, I post videos related to automation, testing, DevOps, and CI every week. And if you have any other question that you want to be featured in the next episode of Q&A Friday, do let me know by sending an email at ask.qnafriday@gmail.com, or you can also mention your queries in the comment section of this video. And that is all in today's session. I will meet you in the next episode of Q&A Friday. Thank you for watching.